Hi guys, how are you? My name's Demi, and let me just give you a slow turn before I get into this video. All right, so maybe you can tell by the slow turn, but this video is a video about hair. And it's specifically about the brand of hair I have in my head because I was at my local beauty supply store and I saw the hair in the pack and I saw how the hair looked on the card. And then of course I Googled the hair and I saw limited pictures on this particular hair. So if you're anything like me and you love crochet hair and then you love big hair, and so you're in the beauty supply store, you're like, oh, okay, I don't know what it's gonna look like. Is it gonna work? You know, whatever. And then you see, you get inspired by various pictures. This is what this is about. I just want to show you a very quick video on this hair. So this hair is the Bobbi Boss Brazilian French Wave 10-inch, and this is crochet hair. And it's soft and light. It really is soft and light. And full volume, natural texture. And I would say I would agree. I also have one pack of the Bobbi Boss Brazilian Ocean Wave in there because they ran out of 1B. And that's my favorite color to put in my hair. And I kind of took a note from another YouTuber, which I'll definitely tag her at the bottom, that always mixes textures in her hair sometimes and it comes out really fly. So I said, oh, let me do that and see what's that gonna hit like. And it's hitting. All right, so listen, this hair is fabulous. I braid my hair in a circle and then crochet it in. And then once it was crocheted in, it looks like this. Now these curls are a little bit pulled out because I actually spray a little water mixed with a little bit of conditioner. Well, yeah, little conditioner in there, water. And take a big comb and I comb it out and cut the little straggly ends as they come out. And I do that daily. My hair usually lasts me about a month and a half. At nighttime, I put my hair up in a pineapple. Using this, put a big old bonnet on, and that's it. In my hair right now, again, is 6.5 packs. Again, 5.5 of those packs is the Brazilian French Wave. And then I have one pack of the Ocean Wave. So I hope this quick video helped you because this is what I was looking for, was a real quick video of somebody who had the hair I wanted, the way I liked it. At least a little short something to talk about it. So here you go. All right. Again, have a fabulous day. Hope you enjoyed this little quick video on this hair. I'll have my information at the bottom. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.